What is the contagion risk for our region? How is this going to shape out?
Well, I don't think it's going to be as significant as maybe the markets like to believe. I mean, Turkey is sitting on a sizable current account deficit. If you look at this part of the world, Asia, I think the fundamentals have improved quite dramatically. Asian economies are not what they were in 97, 98. They've got stronger balance sheets, lower current account deficits in countries where there are current account deficits. The financial position in Asia is a lot stronger. So I think Asia is probably less at risk, compared to maybe other emerging market economies. South Africa, for example, Argentina, Brazil to some extent. So I think it's probably going to be a story of those countries being affected more by what's happening in Turkey rather than here in Asia. And also bear in mind this then, that Turkey is a fairly small economy relative to the world economy. Turkish economy is about $850 billion US dollars. Global economy is $74 trillion, so it's a drop in the ocean. But I think the markets are rattled because of the big move in the currency last week. I think the Turkish Lira is down more than 20% or something like 27%. It's been coming down actually. In the first 5 months of this year, it's down 20%. That didn't rattle the markets, but it was a sudden move last week that resulted in this fear of a contagion. And I think some of those fears are misplaced to some extent. It's not fair to generalize across the emerging market space because you've got the good apples and the bad apples, and I think here in Asia you've got more good apples than bad apples.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.